To select response data from campaigns such as clickers or openers as a target group, you can use the Create Responder Target Group function. This allows address data behind the key figures to be provided as a target group. To do this, go to the Addresses and List section and click on Create Responder Target Group via the floating action button. The first step is to select the message from which you want to select your KPIs, for example clickers, openers, or bounces. In the second step, select the basis of the target group. Here are the clickers from the previously selected message. In step 3, you can exclude any subsets that you do not want in your target group. Finally, check your settings and finalize the process. The target group is selected in the background and is then available to you in the target group list. Alternatively, you can also create such a target group directly via reporting. To do this, go to Reporting and click on the desired key figure marked with a small statistic symbol. Then select the option Save as Target Group from the chart menu. The function area is now automatically called up to create the responder target group. All the necessary information is already preset here. After a quick check, you can either adjust the settings or create the target group directly. You will then find it in the target group list as usual.